In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Song 2 by Blur off of their eponymous album, Blur. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, gentlemen? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today, we have Song 2 by Blur. Comment down below if you think Blur won the Battle of Britpop. And let's dive in. Alright guys, this is one of the shorter songs we'll probably ever learn at just over 2 minutes. This is going to start 8th fret 5th string power chord. So that's 8th fret 5th string, 10th fret 4th, 10th fret 3rd. And then it'll move down to 6, then up to 11, then up to 13, and then up to 15. And the right hand rhythm is going to sound like this, slow. Let's work through that rhythm together. It's going to go down, down, chicka. Okay, the chicka is just swiping the strings down, up, while resting your hand on the strings to mute them. Down, down, chicka. And then down to the 6th string. 3 downs, 3 downstrokes there. So it's like this. Another chicka. And then up to 11, 2 downs, down on 13, down on 15, and then 3 downs, and repeat. So let's go through all that slow. Now you may notice when I go all the way up to 15, so when we're playing all the way up here on the fretboard, I have a tendency to bring my thumb over here and to just press on the strings with my fingers, okay, without anchoring to the back of the neck. That's not necessarily something that I would recommend, but this can be a cramped space down here. So for me, it just feels more comfortable to bring my thumb over here and push with my fingers. Now, for some of you, that might be less comfortable, so it's just going to be a little bit of trial and error. Okay, also, I'm playing my power chords using the 3 fingers. Okay, my index finger, my ring finger, and my pinky. You can play these using just the ring finger. Okay, and if you play it like that, it might be easier for you to play higher up on the fretboard here if you're not using your pinky. Again, I prefer to use the pinky. It's a preference, so just try it a few different ways and see what works for you. And now we move into the chorus where we're going to kick on some distortion and we're going to play essentially the same chords. Okay, they're still power chords, but what we're going to do now is we're going to add what's called the 5th in the root. Okay, so instead of just playing this power chord on the 8th fret, you're going to add the 8th fret of the 6th string. And the right hand rhythm here is going to be simpler. It's really just going to be 8th notes. So it's going to sound like this. And now that we know how to play that, there's only one other part in this entire song, and that's coming out of the chorus. So after we've played through this for the last time, then it's going to come down to the 8th fret. It's that same power chord shape with the 5th in the root. So we're including the 6th string. Up to 11. And then up to 16. All 8th notes with the right hand. And then it goes back into the woo-hoos. Is Song 2 the most creative song name ever? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life because we do have souls.